Find the integral from 0 to 1 of x plus 2 times 3x squared plus 12x plus 1 to the power of 1/2, or just square root, dx. So you can see that this is a pretty straightforward case of u-sub, where you have this whole term to a pretty unique exponent value. So that's typically easy to convert it to u to the 1/2. So doing that, we need to take the entire term, u equals 3x squared plus 12x plus 1, and then take du of it, or just the derivative, which is 6x plus 12, dx. So rearranging for the integral, dx equals du over 6x plus 12. However, we can't just plug that in yet. We have to also consider the boundaries. So for x equals 1, we have to plug that into this whole u term. You get 3 times 1 squared plus 12 times 1 plus 1, which equals 3 plus 12 plus 1, which is 15 plus 1, which is 16. And for x equals 0, doing the same thing, 3 times 0 squared plus 12 times 0 plus 1 is just 1. Now we can plug it back in. So for this new integral, with the boundaries between 1 and 16, we still have our x plus 2 term. We didn't get rid of that. However, we did get rid of this whole exponential term, so we just turned it to u to the 1/2. And then we have du over 6x plus 12, what we did over here. You can see that from simple polynomial division, x plus 2 over 6x plus 12 is equal to 1/6, since you just multiply the top by 6 and you get the bottom. Bringing the 1/6 out as a constant, we have the integral of just u to the 1/2 du from 1 to 16. So let's do that out now. That equals 1/6 times u to the 3/2 over 3/2, since you just add 1 to the exponent and denominator. And you have to also throw in the boundaries. So let's also move the 3/2 out in front, which it becomes 2/3 since it's the inverse. So 1/6 times 2/3, u to the 3/2 from 1 to 16. And you can simplify that. That turns to 1 and 3 over here. So it's just 1/9 u to the 3/2 from 1 to 16. Now let's plug that in. So 1/9 then gets multiplied by 16, which you can express as 4 to the 2nd to the power of 3/2, minus the lower boundary, where it's just 1 to the 3/2, which we know is 1, and that's it. So a really quick trick you can do is get rid of these two exponents, so it's just 4 to the 3 now. And it's 1/9 times 4 to the 3rds minus 1, which equals 1/9 times 64 minus 1, or just 63/9, which equals 7. And that is our answer. I hope this made sense. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.